Your discipline builds your future. Welcome to Clartify.
You're not distracted. That's the first lie we need to remove. You're not broken. You're not weak. And your brain didn't suddenly stop working. What happened is simpler and more dangerous. Your attention has been fragmented. Focus is not something you lose. It's something that gets split. Most people think they can't focus because they lack discipline. But discipline is not the problem. The problem is that your mind is never allowed to stay with one thing long enough to sink into it. Let's slow this down. Your brain was designed for depth, to stay with one task, one thought, one problem, and then rest. Modern life does the opposite. It trains your brain to jump, from thought to thought, from screen to screen, from feeling to feeling. And after years of this, your brain doesn't know how to stay anymore. Not because it can't, but because it's not rewarded for it. Every notification trains interruption. Every scroll trains novelty. Every switch trains impatience. Focus dies quietly, not from one big distraction, but from thousands of small ones. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your brain is not addicted to distraction. It's addicted to relief. Relief from boredom. Relief from discomfort. Relief from thinking deeply. Focus requires friction. It feels uncomfortable at first, so your brain looks for exits. And modern tools provide them instantly. You don't lose focus suddenly. You lose tolerance for uncomfortable attention. This is why even easy tasks feel heavy. It's not the task. It's staying with it. Let me explain something crucial. Attention is not infinite. Every time you split it, each part becomes weaker. That's why you feel mentally tired without doing much. Your mind is running multiple processes without finishing any of them. Unfinished attention drains energy. Another illusion people believe. They think multitasking exists. It doesn't. Your brain switches fast, and every switch costs energy. Switching feels productive. It's not. It's mentally expensive. This is why focus feels impossible now. Not because you're incapable, but because your attention system is overloaded. Let's talk about dopamine, but without the cliches. Dopamine is not pleasure, it's anticipation. It tells your brain something better might be next, and when next is always available, your brain never settles. Why focus on this when something else might be more interesting? That question runs silently in the background, all day. So your brain keeps scanning, even when nothing is wrong. Focus requires trust. Trust that staying is worth it. But novelty breaks that trust. This is why long videos feel hard now. Why books feel heavy. Why silence feels uncomfortable. Your brain has been trained to leave early. Another dangerous effect. Shallow attention creates shallow thinking. When you can't stay with a thought, you can't fully understand it. You react instead of reflect. That's why people feel mentally foggy, indecisive, overwhelmed, not because they're stupid, because their attention never lands. Let me say this clearly. You don't need more focus. You need less fragmentation. Trying to focus harder inside a fragmented system is like trying to run faster on a broken leg. The issue is not effort. It's environment and design. Your brain adapts to what you expose it to. If you feed it constant switching, endless novelty, short bursts, it becomes good at that, not at depth. This is not permanent damage, but it does require untraining. Here's the part people don't like. Focus returns through boredom, not stimulation, not motivation, boredom. When you remove constant input, your brain panics at first. It wants relief. But if you stay, something changes. Your attention stretches again, slowly, quietly. This is why focus feels rare, because most people escape the moment boredom appears. But boredom is the doorway. Another hidden factor. Emotional clutter, unresolved worries, background anxiety, mental noise. Focus cannot exist in a noisy mind. If part of your attention is always elsewhere, nothing gets all of you. This is why structure matters. Structure reduces decisions. Fewer decisions equal sign more attention. Focus is not force, it's permission. Permission for your mind to stay. Let me be honest. If your life is built for constant interruption, focus will always feel like a fight. The goal is not to fight. The goal is to change what your brain expects. You don't need to be super disciplined. You need an environment that doesn't steal your attention every minute. Focus returns when attention feels safe. And safety comes from predictability, quiet, reduced input, not hype. If this video feels uncomfortably accurate, it's because this problem is widespread. You're not failing at focus. Focus was taken from you one interruption at a time. And the good news? What was trained away can be trained back, not with hacks, but with patience. This channel is not about tricks. It's about understanding why your brain does what it does. If you want your attention back, start by seeing what took it away. You didn't lose your focus. You were trained to live without it.
Thank you for watching. If you're ready to upgrade your mind and build unshakable discipline, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. More powerful lessons are coming. Stay disciplined. Stay clarify.